Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. RandallMatthewRueff here. Today is Thursday, February the 17th, 2022 AD. It is 1627 or 427 for us civilian people. Anyway, I just had an early dinner, and before that, I went to the mailbox and CVS. Now, Mom is in this program at CVS where she pays they take $5 out of her checking account, and she's supposed to get some extra coupons and extra deals and blah blah blah. Anyway, so one of the things that she gets that she normally ends up throwing away, so I use them, is it when she buys something, it says it gives you $2 of CVS cash. Where if you take the coupon, you can spend up to $2. And so I did that today twice because what happens is I went in, spent the $2, and it spit out. Of course, they spit out another coupon, or one of those long list of coupons, and it had another $2 that I could get for free. So I went back twice, and let me show you what I got here. Let's see if this is the first one, the second one. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. They print out these, every time you buy something, they print out $7 off this, $3 off that, $2 off this, and $3 or $4, a whole bunch. That's just part of it. And okay, here's the actual thing. Throw that away. Okay, so here's what I got. I've been collecting these little, I'm like, what can I buy with $2, right? Not a whole lot, nothing exciting. So I go in. They have these Hot Wheels for $1.49.